Cyber attack, cyber attack,
Cyber attack.
Cyber attack.
Cyber attack.
Cyber attack.
The world is more connected than ever, and more vulnerable than ever. Traditional training? It's like learning to swim from a textbook. That's why we built CW Labs. From banking and healthcare to enterprise systems, even the most critical asset of this era, data, is never safe. Constantly under attack by hackers, these assets need both defense and offense. That's where our Cyber Range Labs stand apart. We built a secure, controlled playground where learners can practice both defensive and offensive operations, the most unique part of CWL's offerings. From students to pros to governments, we've built a safe place to practice the cyber battlefield. The result? Skills that matter, confidence that lasts, careers that grow. CyberWarFare Labs, empowering the next generation of cybersecurity.